Roku Ultra. So we're gonna talk about Roku Ultra and its all of the features, its pros and cons, and is it value to money for the users. So we're gonna talk about two different sort of users in this video. One is power user, and the second one is a casual viewer. So for the power users who use it for extreme usage, like uh, top tier streaming devices like 4K HDR support and extra features like Dolby Atmos and expandable storages. So if you are that sort of a user who's gonna use it to its limit, so you're gonna be lie in the power user category, while the other person who is like me, who doesn't care about the Atmos and 4K HDR support, I will be happy if it runs 4K or simply 1080p HDR. That would be good for me. So if we're going to talk about the pros for the Roku Ultra, so Roku Ultra comes with a lot of features. For example, the 4K HDR Dolby Vision support, which is excellent picture quality for streaming, and it also has a very fast processing speed. So when we talk about fast processing speed, we need to know about that. It got quad core processor ensures smooth navigation. It also has an feature of expandable storage, means that you can update or increase the storage by inputting in micro SD card. For additional storage, there's a voice remote control option, includes voice search, private listening via headphone jack, or an lost remote finder. It also got an Ethernet support, means that you guys can have a very fast internet coverage. So that is a stable wide connection option, Dolby Atmos, enhanced audio for compatible sound system, user-friendly interface which is easy to set up and use. So there are some cons to it as well. So number one con comes with the hefty price of 79.99, which is almost $80, and which is quite high for me as I'm a casual user, and its remote design. As you guys can see that the design is a bit bulky for me, and design is a little bit bulky and heavier than the usual design for the streaming devices. Streaming devices are usually very small in size, but this one is a hefty one, and it's limited gaming support for $79.99. I might need to have a little bit gaming support, but this comes with basic games only, not gaming console replacement. So this is pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.